Okay, let's look at an example for SOL5. First problem, given the coding matrix, and this is given A, we're going to encode or code the message live or live. You should have written out the alphabet on a post-it or a note card or your notes and labeled everything 1 to 26 with space being 0. I have mine here because I don't like having to go back through it all the time and rewrite, but we're going to use that for our coding. Okay, so L gets us 12, I is 9, V is 22, and E is 5. So our message matrix is going to be, starting top left corner, 12, 9, 22, 5. Now that we have our message matrix, we're going to take our coding matrix and multiply it by our message matrix in that order. Okay, it has to be in that order. A is always going to come first, A or A inverse, doesn't matter. So we have a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 2, which means our result is going to be another 2 by 2. Okay. You don't have to do this setup, but it does help a lot of students. Go ahead and label our rows. We have row 1. Then we have row 2 down below. And then if we look at the columns, we have column 1 and column 2. Okay. So we're going to take row 1 times column 1. We have negative 4 times 12 plus 6 times 9. Next, we need to take row 1, which is our negative 4 and our 6, and we're going to multiply that by column 2, our 22. Next, we're going to take row 2, that 3, negative 8, and we're going to multiply it by column 1, which was our 12, 9. Remember, what's in parentheses should line up. If it doesn't, you made a mistake. Go back and fix it. Bottom right corner, we need to take row 2 times column 2. So we're going to have 3 times, looking at second column, 22 plus negative 8 times 5. And then we go to our calculators. We're going to take negative 4 times 12 plus 6 times 9, and we get 6. We're going to take negative 4 times 22 plus 6 times 5, and we get negative 58. I'm going across top row. Bottom row, we're going to take 3 times 12 plus negative 8 times 9, we get negative 36. And then our last one, we need 3 times 22 plus negative 8 times 5, which gets us 26. The very last step is to write out your coded message in a list. Start with the top left corner, and we're going to list from the vertical. So 6, negative 36, negative 58, and 26. And then you're going to double check your answer. So A was our new matrix, our coding matrix of negative 4, 6, 3, negative 8. Then we need another new matrix for our message matrix, which was 12, 22, 9, 5. And double checking A times B gets us the exact answer that we just had, which means we have successfully coded our message. And this is what you would give for your answers for our coding.